Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we are going to learn about grep command. So basically grep command is a text utility. It is used for searching text within a file. Okay, so we can search the text within the file or across the files, how many times it has been repeated over the file or the number of files. Okay, let's get started with that thing. Okay, so before proceeding forward, I just wanted to tell you that I have created two new files, that is file new, and let me read the content for that one. So that is, the first file would be nn and the second would be new. Okay, so these are the two files that we would be referencing for this video. Let me clear the screen. Okay, and for now let's say that you want to search for the word Unix and you want to ignore the case sensitivity. We make use of grep -i to ignore the case sensitivity and the word that you want to search, that is Unix, and the file that you want to search for, so it is new. Press enter, it will highlight the words which are there. Okay, now let's say you just want to see, so in a single line, how many times the term Unix has been used, right? So we make use of grep -c for the count, followed by the word, and that is Unix, and followed by the file name, new. Enter. It is saying me that the number is 2, which means that 2 times it has been repeated. So this is the line 1 in which Unix has been written. Here why it didn't choose, because we didn't made the choice -i, right? Because we explicitly told we want lowercase Unix, and this is the second line in which we were searching Unix. Okay, clear it. Now let's say that you want to see, you are aware of there are particular files present over your system, but you are not sure where in which that particular word will reside, right? So that for that particular thing we are going to make use of -l. So grep -l followed by the word that you are searching for, and that would be Unix. Okay, and say you don't know the file name, you just press star over there and press enter. It will show you the file name. So new and nn are the files in which Unix term resides. Okay, now let us do cat for new and let us do cat for nn. You can see Unix is present in both of them. Okay, all right, let's clear it. Let us say that you want to search for the word Unix once again. Grep -w and followed by the word Unix, followed by the file name. Okay, it will only print the lines in which that particular thing has been there. Okay, all right, moving forward. Now you want to see the number of lines, the line number in which that particular term resides. For that we are going to make use of grep -n followed by the word that you are searching for, and the file name, new. So in line number 2 and line number 5 that particular term resides. All right, okay, clear it. Now let us see, you want to see the remaining lines in which that particular term doesn't resides. That can also be done. Grep -b followed by the term that you are not looking for, and the term, the file name, enter. So these are the lines in which that particular term doesn't reside. Okay, all right, clear it. There is another thing that I would like to introduce you. Grep -o, okay, followed by the word and the file name. Okay, it will only display the term that you are searching for. Okay, it will not display the line number or the remaining text. Okay, all right. Now let's say that you want to search when was the first time Unix was printed on a particular line. Okay, you will make use of grep followed by the word that you are searching for and the file name. The only thing that you have to add is the caret sign, and that would be shift-6, enter. Okay, this was the first time where the term Unix resides, and this thing is known as a caret sign. All right, so that was all about grep command. Okay, so these are the basic commands and the attributes that you would be using in daily life. Okay, hence but there are many attributes that you can go for. You can just refer the manual pages, grep, enter. So there are different attributes that you can go for, different options that they have given. Okay, however, the things that I have told you are something which has been used by us daily, right? So if you want to search about text, you can definitely go for grep command. All right, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the another one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.